In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the manual journal entry option in Xero. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with bookkeeping, having the ability to create manual journal entries in Xero can be incredibly beneficial for managing company finances more effectively. Let's walk you through this straightforward process to make sure you have the appropriate permissions enabled. First, you'll want to log into Xero's accounting software. To do this, head over to their login page. Once there, simply enter your email and password and then click on the login button. This will take you to your Xero dashboard. For many users, the dashboard is the central hub where you can see an overview of your account's financial activities. Now at the top of the page, you should see your company's name. Click on it to proceed. Once you're on your company page, look for an option called My Xero and click on it. From here, you'll see various access options listed, and you should click on the one labeled Standard beneath the access settings. Now you're in the section where you can manage user access settings. Here, search for the option that allows you to manage user access and click on it. This step is crucial because permissions dictate what actions a user can perform within the software. In the next part, look for the three dots that provide additional options and click on them to reveal more settings. After you click on the three dots, you'll see an option called Change Permissions. Selecting this will allow you to modify the current user access rights. Now you're almost there. You need to change your access level from Standard to Advisor. This change is essential as only users with Advisor permissions can create manual journal entries. Lastly, you'll find an option that says Update Permissions. Click on it to save the changes you've made. Once updated, you'll now have the capabilities of an advisor in Xero, giving you access to a broader range of features including manual journal entries. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the manual journal entry option in Xero. Remember, having the ability to make these manual entries is critical for correcting errors and making complex adjustments to your accounts. As always, make sure to save all changes and log out securely when you're finished. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Happy accounting!